Okay, so now we'll talk about some use cases and examples or real world use cases where Apache Spark shines, right? So basically, we have learned what is Apache Spark is a versatile and powerful distributed computing framework that has found applications across various industries, right? It can be used for processing of the data. So the first thing here is like it is used for large scale data processing, like for data which is large in number for the big data, right? It can be used for machine learning. It can build and deploy scalable machine learning models, right? It can be used for graph processing and which analyze relationships and patterns in graph data. It can be used for real-time stream processing and where it actually analyze and process real-time data streams. It can be used for e-commerce analytics where it analyzes customer behavior, optimizing recommendations and monitoring sales.